How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller gamepad to your laptop. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually connect the 2.4 hertz dongle onto a USB port of your laptop. So it's going to be this specific USB dongle right here. And after connecting it onto any one of your or any of your USB ports, you could simply just press the power button. In my case, I'm using the 8-bit Do Ultimate 2C controllers, which is basically a wireless controller right here. So just turn it on and make sure that your controller is set to the 2.4 gigahertz connection, because most wireless controllers out there has two modes, which is going to be the Bluetooth mode and the 2.4 gigahertz mode. So just make sure that it is switched to the 2.4 gigahertz. Press the power button, and from there you should be good to go. Now let me just type controller test right here just to show you that I'm connected, and that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.